Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco in a Wildtrak trim with the Sasquatch package, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for some light towing and hauling and 4x4ing. The Sasquatch package giving you some 35-inch all-terrain tires sitting on some beadlock rims, as well as some wider fenders. And up front you have the heavy-duty modular front bumper with the brush guard installed as well. Hardtop four-door configuration, and looking around back you have the swing-out tailgate with the full-size spare. Opening it up, you have a pretty decent cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, and underneath here you have your jack with some spare room. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a vinyl interior, I believe. In the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders. And down here in the middle, you have a USB and USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and your window controls. This vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power-adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, off-road information, and status, very important. Navigation, phone, and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, lane keeping system, and your hands-free phone and radio controls spread out among both sides. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, apps, or whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you can see all around your SUV. Above that, you have some of your 4x4 controls, such as front and rear locking differentials, trail turn assist, so if you're on a tighter road or trail, this will help you make a tighter turn, traction control shutoff, hazards, and up here you have a mounting point for your accessory rail, so you can have like a GoPro up here, and you even have a USB and USB-C, so you can plug those devices in. Moving down, you have your media controls with your camera view again, including your forward-facing camera, auto start stop shut off, park assist sensor shut off, and then you've got your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Down below that you have a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there to charge. Then you've got one of your grab handles, as well as having one on either side of the dash, so you can hold on while you're going down a bumpy trail. Then you've got your main shifter for your 10-speed automatic transmission with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears. Two cup holders, 4x4 controls with 4 auto, and trail control, which is sort of like cruise control for slower speeds on rougher terrain. And your GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, mud ruts, sand, and Baja. So you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you have your window and mirror controls, because of course, being a Bronco, the doors are removable, the roof is removable, but you still want to be able to control your mirrors. And then you have your center locking compartment with a removable tray and plenty of room, including another 12 volts, so you can plug something in from there too. And last but not least, looking up, you have 6 auxiliary switches, which can be wired up however you please. And this being a Bronco, you can remove the whole hardtop in sections, so that's pretty neat too, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.